Hello there. This is a short tutorial on what to do with a project invitation for Pozotron Studio. So if somebody is using Pozotron to proof or use our script prep tools, they may invite you to the project for assistance. If they do, you'll get an email that looks like this. So it'll tell you who is inviting you and what project they're working on. So it'll show the title of the project here. To get started, just click this Open Project button. And if you have never logged in before, you will need to create an account to access the project. Now, it's totally free to create an account, but we do need you to create one so that their project is safe and secure and only the right people are getting in. So if you've never signed up, click this little sign up button right here. This will allow you to create an account. Now, make sure when you are typing out your email that you use the same one that got the invitation here. So don't use a different email address, otherwise you won't be able to access the project. So put that email in here, first and last name, your password, and click this checkbox. And hitting sign up, you will come straight into Pozotron. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here. I'm already logged in here, so clicking that will bring me straight to the page. Now in here, if this is your first time looking at a Positron project, you might be a bit confused about what all of this does. We do have some great tutorials that can help you get started. So up here, there's a question mark icon to take you directly to our support page. Now this has a ton of answers here, so you could search for any article you're looking for, or if you're in Positron, go ahead and click this Get Help button. That'll connect you with me or one of my team members, and we can walk you through the tool and make sure that you have a smooth start to understanding Positron and all of our tools. We do also have a YouTube channel, which if you search Positron on there, you'll have a bunch of tutorials on each of our tools broken down into just a couple minute videos that should be easy to digest. Now, one other thing is if you are invited to their enterprise, that is different than being invited to their project. So the email will look different. It'll say that you've been invited to join an enterprise, in this case, Positron Productions, with manager permissions. So getting started here, if I click this, this will have me log into Positron if I already have an account. But we can see here it says Positron Productions in this little drop-down menu. So this means I have access to every project that this enterprise owns, instead of just the one project that they invited me to. So that's the difference there, and you do have to click which one you want to look at in the projects page. So here will show me all of the enterprise books or projects, and here is just the personal ones or ones I've been specifically invited to. So I hope that helps, and if you'd like a little bit more information on how to use Positron and what to do with our tools, please reach out to us using this Get Help button or view our tutorials in the support page. And thanks.